Okay, here we are on 4th of July at 2 o'clock in the morning, and Nick Miller is passed out cold from drinking entirely too many beers for the entire day. My husband's getting ready to scare the shit out of him.
His runs up too.
Oh, and he has his fly open. Oh, there's Nick Montgomery holding the prize. We're going to scare the shit out of Nick Miller. All right, everybody, watch.
5,
Yeah.
4, 3, 2,
Here it goes.
1.
Ready? I think Nick Miller's dead. I think he's dead. Honey, wake up! Is he on pulse?